Previously on Joseph Herrick Fishing.
Oh God. That was crazy. I didn't think she was ready and then she just took off. Got her? That's a big one. Does that have a, is this the fish I caught this morning? Oh, she didn't really fight. I caught this fish this morning.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not.
Really?
I'll show you. Unbelievable.
19 inches cut this
Look.
back out there. Yep, that's that lesion.
Unbelievable.
5 days living in a solar-powered cabin on a rock island in the middle of nowhere, Canada. The only way in is by an hour-long boat ride through rock mazes and rapids. Fishing some of the best northern pike and smallmouth bass waters in the world.
There he is. On the A-rig, boys! Yeah!
What is up, guys? It is day 2 up here in the Georgian Bay. Today I think we're going to head to a different spot, a little bit further away from camp, and just see how it is to help determine where we're going to be fishing for the rest of the week. Might try for some pike today, might try for some walleye. It just depends on how the bass are hitting. Bass has actually been kind of slow. Like, we've caught a lot of bass, but it's not as good as it usually is up here. I just don't think we've found like a big population of them yet. But I don't know, hopefully we can find those either later today or one of these other days, because I really want to get some big smallmouth. But yeah, that's the plan today. Stay tuned.
I was recording that! You like my evasive not falling out of the boat? That was my fault. I should have been looking instead of filming you. That's a little sketch. Huh? So that's a little sketch. Do you need me looking? Do you need me looking?
I didn't think I needed you looking
I
there.
hit it. It just didn't go. This camera's been acting up. Get the release at least.
Is that it?
Yeah, this camera's been doing dumb shit. I don't like remember names. I just. That's kind of, what is that? Pike?
It's good fishing. I think it's a walleye.
He's not.
Huh?
Said he's not. About the same size. Maybe a little bigger. Maybe a little bigger.
He's a little bigger.
Maybe a little bit. Huh? Maybe a little bit. Yeah, he is.
I don't know.
Close. I think he's.
I'm not sure.
Might be a little bit. I'll check to see how long. I bet you he's like 23, 22. He's probably 22 and a half. That's a good one, though.
I think it might be a little longer.
Yeah, I think he is.
Here we go.
It's like outside. They're not on the inside. They're walleye. Yeah, looks like this one might be big.
Okay.
I saw this one from far away. This one might be big. Yeah, this one's big. I'll run over your line. I think this one's pretty big.
You want to come up?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I got a glimpse of him. I'm pretty sure he's big.
Yeah, he's bigger. He's bigger than the other two.
I can't. They're stacked right there. Maybe not.
You don't want to enter that net, though.
He's about the same size. He might be a little bigger. This one might be 23. I bet you this one's 23. That one's gonna be 23.
Think so?
Yeah.
Those hooks, too. He wasn't going anywhere.
I bet you he might be 23. It's insane.
What is it?
They're all just stacked right there. I think he's gonna be bigger.
We'll find out.
I think that one's gonna be 20.
I think these are a lot like cookie cutters.
I think it's gonna be 23 probably. I'm pretty good at guessing.
You are, but 23. They're getting a little bigger. Where you going?
Anything,
Where you going? Where you going?
Anything bigger than that, we don't really want to keep anyway, right?
No.
So you just want to put her on?
Yep. Okay.
Grab them both and hold them up. I'll take a picture.
I guess.
Yeah. That's an awesome photo, Dad. Well, we're eating good.
Okay, well, all we can keep now are
Little babies. So now we're just fishing for fun.
Fishing for fun.
Little catch and cook action going on later. That one's pretty fat. That one's gonna have some nice fillets.
Okay.
Yep.
Walleye.
Might be a walleye.
I'm gonna turn the boat so you
Yeah, he's coming towards the motor.
turn the boat.
It's gotta be a walleye. I think it is a little baby walleye. Or is it a little pike? Little baby, that's our keeper. That's our keeper. No way. No way. We're gonna be able to keep.
He's gotta be under 16.
I think he's gonna be. Unbelievable. I might actually contribute. He's gonna be like 17 or something, probably.
Yeah, you watch.
My first walleye of the day. Oh, you bastard.
But just over, he's touching 16.
16 and a quarter.
Oh.
Can't keep him. It was so small, too. Oh, I finally caught a walleye. So the slots, they gotta be under 16.
Under 16, over 22.
Well, it's 16 point. They gotta be. They gotta be under 16.1.
They gotta be under 16.
16.1.
Under 16.
No, because it's in centimeters.
You gonna argue that with the game warden?
Hey, just, trim him up a little bit. Just kidding. Just kidding. We're not gonna do that. All right. Later, bud. I finally caught a walleye.
Pretty one. Oh, see, he's green. He's not gold like the.
He's kind of gold.
Okay, bud. That's your first one.
I did
you
it.
Gotta improve now,
I got
okay?
one.
You gotta improve now.
Well, I was kind of hoping when I first saw him, I was like, maybe he'll be like 15 and 3/4.
You want 15 and 3/4. That's what you want.
That's a fish there. You get that weird. That's bigger fish. You get that so weird, dude. I don't even gotta get a hook set. That's a big walleye.
Big standard.
There's just so many fish right there.
So good?
He feels pretty good. Just weird.
Stand up and
It was like I was hitting the weeds and then boom. You got it? Yep. Yeah, he's a good one. He's not as big.
Huge, but he's a nice walleye, bud. I think he's a good slot fish.
Yeah. He's fighting good. My God.
I'm gonna let you bring him over to the net, okay?
Not bad. I got one. I can't believe these walleye fight like this here. Weird how the slot here is reversed. Like usually when someone refers to a slot fish, it's the size you're allowed to keep, you know?
Yep. Yeah. Usually you're keeping them inside a certain.
That's why if someone said the slot, like, that's probably why everyone's confused. If they ask anybody and they say the slot's 18 to 22, like you're gonna assume that's what you're supposed to keep. Well, that one's a little bit better for me.
2 in a row though.
Yeah.
19, 20 in.
Almost,
20 and a half.
Yeah, almost 20 and 3/4.
Yep. They're muscular too, aren't they?
Oh, Jesus, yeah. Try and let her go. Oh, she's already ready. That was cool. That one fought pretty good. I didn't get a hook set too, so I was worried. It just was like on. It was like weed,
Boom.
wait. It wasn't even a hit. It was just like wait. And I was like, So I kind of just like did one of these little like half-ass like, there's a fish. Then I felt head shakes. I was like, yeah, it's fish. Alright guys, so we're cooking this walleye up for dinner. Some of the guys kept some pike and even a couple bass that accidentally died because they hooked them a little too deep or gut hooked them. And we're having a little fish fry. Should be delicious. It looks delicious. I'm pretty excited. I haven't eaten much today. I'm starving. Definitely looking forward to feasting on some fish that were just swimming, just a couple hours ago. Doesn't get any fresher than this.